What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Did you know that around 70% of YouTubers switch their niche at least once during their career? It's all about finding what truly resonates with you and going for it. Guess what? I wasn't gonna say this, but I'm one of those people. And in this video, I'm gonna share my personal journey of switching niches as a YouTuber. It's a story of challenges, learning, and growth. And I hope it inspires you to think deeply about your own creative path. When I first got started creating content, I thought I had it all figured out. I was producing videos about drones, a hobby that I super adore. I love this. And it seemed like it was a natural fit for me. But as time went on, I realized that while I enjoyed the technical aspects of drone flying, as well as sharing my experiences, I actually wanted to do more. I want to use my platform to inspire and educate others, to show them that it's okay to be different and that learning is a lifelong journey. I still love flying my drones and creating content, but I've decided to focus on using my channel to share helpful information as well as resources. My goal is to be a positive force in people's lives and to make a difference no matter how big or how small. The more I tried to force myself into that niche, the more I realized that while I love flying my drones and creating content, it was becoming a chore. I wasn't passionate about chasing the next viral moment or spending countless hours editing videos. I wanted to do something more meaningful, something that would truly make a difference, not only with my time, but also make a difference in people's lives. I knew I could use my drone skills to teach others and inspire them, but the fear of stepping outside my comfort zone, that held me back for a while. I spent time trying to convince myself that it was just a phase, that I just needed to push through and eventually things would get better. But deep down, I knew that wasn't true. I was ignoring all the signs, the feelings of burnout, being frustrated. Those were the signs that were telling me it was time to move on. During this time, I started to explore new niches and topics. And just out of curiosity, I started reading news articles. I started watching videos. I even started listening to podcasts on subjects that genuinely interested me. It was kind of like breathing a breath of fresh air, and I felt my creativity and passion start to reignite. Y'all realized my audience was more than just a statistic. You guys are individuals with their own interests and needs. And I want to create content that resonates with you guys on a deeper level. Man, listen, I've even started reading books again, okay? Something I haven't done in years due to my short attention span. But it was surprising me how much I enjoy reading new things and expanding my knowledge. The more I learn, the more I realize that my previous niche was just a shallow representation of what I was truly capable of creating. I started to see the world in a different light, and my content began to take on a new form. It was no longer about chasing views and clicks, but about making a real impact in people's lives. Guys, one day, I had an epiphany. I was watching a video from a fellow creator who was talking about the importance of authenticity in content creation. And you know, honestly, it dawned on me. I was trying to conform to a mold that I didn't even like. As a trendsetter, I realized that the best way to stand out was to be myself. Embrace my unique perspective and be the mold and not try to fit into one. It wasn't an easy decision, okay? We all know how much I love being a drone pilot and flying and all that good stuff. And there was a lot of different emotions that were involved. I was scared of losing my audience. I was scared of starting from scratch. I was even scared of failing. But here's the thing. I knew that if I didn't take this leap, I would not be truly fulfilling my passion. Looking back, switching niches was one of the best decisions I've ever made. It allowed me to tap into my true passions and create content that resonates with my audience on a deeper level. I've experienced a renewed sense of creativity, a renewed sense of purpose and fulfillment that I've never thought was possible. So guys, if you're feeling stuck or unfulfilled in your current niche, I encourage you to take the leap and explore new possibilities. Trust me, I know it's gonna be scary, but it's worth it. Thanks for watching. And if you got any thoughts or experiences that you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, guys, stay positive, stay motivated, stay inspired, and please stay rocking with Ace.